Welcome to our vegan rainbow salad recipe tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to make a visually stunning and nutrient-packed salad that's not only delicious but also a feast for the eyes. Let's get started. Wait, before starting the video, I introduce you Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, which help you to burn belly fat in 7 days. Now let's start. Step 1. Wash and prep your ingredients. You'll need the following fresh ingredients: a bunch of colorful mixed greens, lettuce, spinach, arugula, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, halved, 1/2 cucumber, sliced, 1/2 red bell pepper, thinly sliced, 1/2 yellow bell pepper, thinly sliced, 1/2 orange bell pepper, thinly sliced, 1/4 red onion, thinly sliced, 1/2 cup of shredded purple cabbage, 1/2 cup of shredded carrots, 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro leaves, 1/4 cup of fresh basil leaves, 1/4 cup of toasted sunflower seeds. Step 2. Assemble the rainbow. In a large salad bowl, arrange your mixed greens as the base. Now, it's time to bring in the colors. Add the halved cherry tomatoes, sliced cucumber, and a vibrant mix of red, yellow, and orange bell peppers. Next, sprinkle some thinly sliced red onions for a touch of sharpness. Add shredded purple cabbage and carrots for extra crunch and color. Tear some fresh cilantro and basil leaves to infuse the salad with aromatic freshness. Finish with a sprinkle of toasted sunflower seeds for that delightful crunch. Step 3. Toss and mix. Gently toss all the vibrant ingredients together to distribute the flavors evenly. Step 4. Dress it up. Drizzle your favorite homemade vegan dressing over the salad. Today, we're using a zesty lemon tahini dressing for a creamy kick. Step 5. Toss once more. Toss the salad once more to coat all the veggies with the delicious dressing. And there you have it, a stunning and nutritious vegan rainbow salad that's a true feast for the senses. In this video, we've shared valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Click the link now and take the first step towards a happier, healthier, and more confident you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a scrumptious recipe like this one.